Morning and welcome to Sober TV here on YouTube. Critical analysis because in some of the Dawson, I said yeah analyzing the year. We all know say the biggest job in the world demands the biggest men for the job. And a baby say you are going to do a conscious discussion. And we hope say things will get better on Sunday. Sundays have to focus against Asante Kotoko. Match our interest, from all angles. Now, even before I go into the issues, so Asante Kotoko has to focus at this moment. Just 3 points gap between the two teams. Because Kotoko 19 has for 16 points. So a key match that clearly a make or break for any of the teams. Will be a season very successful. It will be dependent on this particular game. So the stakes are high. Now, another interesting aspect of the discussion here, sir, had to foot because of Accra Entertainment Stadium. Developers is here, the entertainment, Had to foot had no other choice than to move their games from Accra Sports Stadium to Kumasi. So it's an hard to foot home game, but they are playing it at the Kumasi Baba Sports Stadium, which is Kotoko home. Into a heat, the tension, all match, I caught the next level. What the performance of clubs, venue, and the dynamics of the venue, Emma match and heated. Again, had to folk this week had to even organize a press conference to react to Asamamu former coach Martin Koopman Kanye. And say, baby, therefore, the man in the middle should be a big man with experience, with a class and character for the matcher. And that is why we are having this discussion. Say, Dainty and I'm penning Fuku Reginald Ayer calling someone. Say on whom and I embedded this game. Now, you may not understand my point, but if you listen, this is it. It's a very controversial situation. This is the biggest game in Ghana football when it comes to our local league. We need the biggest. The numbers, the rivalry, the tension, the political influences, the news are match we're making a switching matches. Now, last season, before I even go into last season, let's even talk about the referee Nankasa or Babedi game in a regional Adamwa. Now, according to the statistics published by the Ghana Football Association themselves, Collins Amwa edit 4 matches out of the 13 matches he have won this season. There have been 13 match days. We did 4. We did 2 red cards and 11 yellow cards. And Omar pointing is a Ombedi game against Kotoko against Hatufuk. Now this is where I have a problem. I have nothing against this referee. The whole research I may everybody be pop it up. My check here, man, who's what could match be suspended and answer Bibisa. Meaning, so far it's been good for him. But so far, matches be brought penny dean and your matches in motion. Keseba was probably a Diana against Accra Lions. Who's all the matches in motion. Which in common year. Match of such magnitude, of such a influence and value to a larger scale of Ghana football loving fans on DBDA. Now, Rebecca said Debiani was the first time for everything, which is true. And you need to give the young guys an opportunity. No problem. But if you understand the dynamics of how to focus on Asante Kotoko and the number of times referee Bedibo and we know about the center of discussion and mostly end the career of most of the referees, are you cautious when you are appointing a referee? Now let me run you through the conversation. Why I felt that I'm careful with this appointment. Let's start from even some more Suka. The career of Suka diminishing after Asante Kotoko has a ball no Ahmed Adams sechi and the toe nensa ehun sembebre. Later it came up say Anas game no opinion no kura kwaje bribe. Now this raises the question. When you are appointing a referee for a House Kotoko game, you need a referee or so much to lose. So when to me the ball here, because House and Kotoko game be a platform as so ever referee be a names a referee be and so capitalize on it. But if you get a referee that is willing to take a bribe to influence a House and Kotoko game, it tells a referee no need ambition. He has nothing to lose because on through so now we free swaba be show from team na ne career say because referee be a through so be a born career ho ban but obi a so all be ano bibi kakra bi otimi jika say oh me cry am in through so nti ma me pem baby ntra. And Suka is a typical example. The last time Kennedy Paddy Fabio Gama penalty, and I'm not saying this in favor of Asante Kotoko, had to focus also had complaints with regards to referee. Omu game. Kennedy Paddy awarded a penalty against Fabio Gama. Later, referee review panel said penalty was one call. No, of course, had to folk. And onOkrabeka said after the game, election after that, the career of referee Kennedy Paddy, I ain't saying baby. Now, let's talk about Yao Bless. And Yao Bless was a promising referee. After House Kotoko game, what happened? They demoted to Division 1. And now Yao Bless, senior not all rising. Your money in our tiasa. So, when you look at the records, the act of giving promising referees an opportunity to officiate House Kotoko game, no, most of the time, and they well for them. Yes, Rashtum. Eddie House and Kotoko, MEA, my man for Bonabas. I think that was the president's cap or something. Man for Bonabaswa. But it looks like Dudwane Ye Dawson. Emmanuel Daily Gaba. You're finding the 10,000 Ghana cedis and you're trying a 3 months ban. House and Kotoko. In 2015, raising here said, referee, no, when you have the balls to start the game at the right time, the ball, no, 3:15 is all started. Or the strips, no one says, "Mo could do anymore." It's me and teaching because we need the balls. I'll bet yeah, what do you call it? Claps, no, no one follow the rules. He wanted to please everybody. Oh yeah, he man a 3 months ban. Referee Emmanuel Lechon. What you say? Oh yeah, or tana Kesben FM can say or take penalty tia has influence no ma let's score ten in yasem. So the list goes on and on and on. Referee Emmanuel Sean, yeah, who know referee Mubium because he awarded a penalty against had to fall. And it has what complaints, Kotoko complaints. And I'm not saying say because of that, no, Yema robot made no, but let's get the best in the country to officiate. And this is where the issue comes in. Reginald Collins Amwa last season, FNE to us a referee of the season. Obama car. Our man, referee Julian Nunu, Lantra, say Uncle Yusu. Now, when they sat down to name the 3 referees, are almost shortlisted as the best referees in Ghana last season Premier League. It was Dr. Imoru Osman and Rashtum Semegbe and Julian Nunu. 3 referees we know some of your best our Ghana had last season. Just this September. It's a December has no Kotoko. Don't forget there are referees like Daniel Ayi who are around. Could the calf matches. Pick one of them to officiate this game. And yet try and error them. And yet you man a chance in head you bit me ayasem. And yet you man kwalane chance asem. Because before Obama kwalane chance no, manim be fault official e wa House and Kotoko game no had ye. Manim bi has ni aduane bi, Kotoko ni aduane bi. Kotoko ni media bi. Because we be Kotoko ni media ma otakwa Kotoko has ni mediama. Then say, oh, ba, you are getting closer to Asante Kotoko. By and tam nipa ketwa na go to nipa tenten kon ho sa. One say yabe you know one boa referee no. Because he's supposed to be perfect on the day. Referee be abedi has match against Dreams, against Lagos City, is a big mistake. Punishment about so na because has match be you TV so. And now Kotoko, it's two political animals fighting for a 3 points. And now the Obia, clearly he's not tried and tested. And I've given you the records of referees. Someone tried and tested. You know, my baby baby, you know, yeah, crash your career. So no disrespect to this young man. He can be excellent, no doubt about it. But he did why you be that any general. Into referees our Ghana, you mukodi CAF Confederations Cup matches, CAF Champions League matches, and omone referees ye here for match we ABC. And you be on to quine could be match be outside Ghana. Now never try and error. Now I'm fair. Samaba. I'm far Samaba. So let's be careful. There have been other scrum suggested say, listen, Asante Kotoko matches crown. And Kagana see a PVAR be crowded by boy referees. No, so they will be closer to perfect. The PVAR be near their boy referees no Asante Kotoko match because and then the matcher in someone who pa. Until we must put in our best, not a matramaquel kind of thing. There have been people who have been saying, say, the house no Kotoko match crown. The pay referees bear 3. Nanka start times OB van omu team, omu share replay, omu communicating with referee no jina hono. Saying at the end of the day, referee were enough resources not to make any little mistake. When you go to Europe, yes, some referees no mapping, but look at how they are using technology to support their referees. Your goal line technology. Born it trala pe ebe boa referee no. Enti enya antrala say bi mba a trape ebe boa na ma referee no say born atra. And now they've introduced video assistant referee to aid their referees to make the right decisions. But in Ukraine, we are not doing that. We are setting our referees up to fail. Nipa nimfin duo kwa ne na ko gina ho. Most watoto papa so. Ye ne ko gina ho so a enioma e betimi aboa no na ama no ne fo ni bi use na esese ya adapt netimi gi nipa no ma ne decision ye no. Ye nsa mfa nka nipa no die be wie no na nipa no aba be the bone of contention. Una aba be gina mfimfin people be discussing. Most be a wan hwe after that. Na chese ne career na no ano no. E wo ni trinko sa intimi ko na ni bubie. Because Asante Kotoko match, players need to be diving. Obi be penalty box after penalty. In Tokaka Krabisi, issues can happen behind the blinds, behind the referee, the blind side of the referee. Obi be timi etia obi because of the tension e be a referee wa dane na ni say oko ohu na bi obi abutu obi. But any video assistant referee there, eba be who say we ko butu we into command the red card. Ye ni bi into referee be wie no. Ono abo no okodi ni yem hihye ne dada match ne so penifo be frɛ ne nya asɛm ketoa match na nkasa so we be gina ho omo physical and spiritual ne omo mbeye to even get the referee to be on their side and no cry asɛm foforo. If you don't know, I'm telling you, if you mo kɔhyɛ da kɔ chechere referee na gen chechere referee no sɛ ne ball na nkasa wo di a wani so be otu yes ye wi a ye de nipa sebe ne mfim du ho be na kwa akogina ho. Why is it that the 3 referees here nominated him as the best referee in the Ghana Premier League last season? This season, yeah, Baba Asante Kotoko, yentimi nkasi ye baako so obedi ball. Yentimi nkasi ye nya kokuduro yi baako so obedi ball. Yentimi nkasi Daniel Lai, ne Ghana referee de ne ko AFCON okotana ha okọ ne ye gini dipano eduru Asante Kotoko match ne ye pia na sinchen ade yesurana. We need the best man for the best job, for the biggest job. Let's say, no disrespect to this man. He's a young referee that can just break through with this Asante Kotoko game. But it is too much of a gamble ɛyɛ chacha paa ne yɛbɛto ɛyɛ chacha ɛne yɛbɛto sa amfa asɛm na si yɛwie ne career. If you people don't know how tough this game is, how supporters any brabren Kotoko supporters any brabren. Mama referee no. With all due respect, I still think Senkai he are the best for the job. Where is Daniel Lai? Because I was telling you about Samuel Suka, Kennedy Paddy, Yahoo Bless, Daily Gaba, Emmanuel Eshon. Now, try research and come who be brave. I'll be the born you know in some basa, I feel no more posa. And you lack and then you try and error. That is why we go Englander. Your match be almost a match be as a referee. You, the club, can have issues with the referee. But as long as the system believes in the competence of the referee, we are there on one bidi. We are there on one bidi. Until you about Champions League, once you do semi, you do quarter whole corner. You say you are some certain particular referees. You bet me moment this do match day we the following match day no di your man rest be you bet me man dia akwa do semi maybe final ye back depending on the corona a clubs ni free ban. Why? They need the best man for the job. Or they will not gamble with that side of the game. It's an extremely important part of the game. Game na ye bon a baby here pa. 2 minute game no 2 minute e shop penyin ni nsa. Okase nkwa na ekọ, okase enjina na enjina nti emfa to chacha. We wish Reginald Collins Amwa all the best. Personally, I would have wished saying pianeti konkusimo prekopesa senke pro bia akran wa ye bi pen wa kire pen odi matches akese pen ye na ba bi jirim so on the match we. This is my opinion. This is not a harsh agenda, and this is not a Asante Kotoko agenda. I just think that for our game to develop, we need the best man for the job. Until we meet again, Sober TV. Bye-bye.